Pencils!
Coins!
Small glass jar!
Stop here, lads. I died.
Good to know that it's over there. What
There's a
happened?
spider. There's a spider that way.
Oh, wonderful.
Okay.
Yeah, no,
Memories at the door.
I didn't know that was there.
What the hell? I can't move. I can't.
Oh no, that's sweating.
There's more
Miss sounds like a Make-A-Wish kid when he does that.
What the fuck?
Come, let's go this way, boys. There's a landmine to
Wait,
your
that's not
right.
here. What's this?
Fly!
Fly.
Oh, are you?
Arms on.
Open the door.
Yeah, we're all here.
Yeah, try to help Zizo. Here I have the flashlight and a stalker found him. So.
Why did he just teleport out?
Good point.
Yeah, get
And there's also a turret on the left, by the way. Oh, yeah, he died.
No, not Nickelodeon slime!
Oh no. No. Nice one.
Oh, we're fucked. No, go there. There's nothing there.
Someone kill it! I don't know what the
Let me
fuck
go
to do.
outside. Oh!
Okay, well.
I'm gonna take this stuff.
Why can't I go over?
By the way.
Yo, what the?
I swear to Christ. Oh, brother in Christ. There's no way. I have no stamina. Can you wait? Wait. Oh. Friendly? By the wheel. Open?
That's on this.
He's alive. No, he lived.
I am alive.
Oh, mate, go here.
Where's the turret?
Are you fucking?
Are you dead?
Fuck! Suck! Fuck! Help!
Well. That happened.
Right, I'm on the roof. Shut up, you dumb dog.
Well, mine was always full.
Can you go through the door? Where's that sound? Oh my god!
It's not stopping! Let me know! Stop! No!
What is happening?
I found it.
Okay.
Well, I'm above it. As a kid. No, go back, you idiot! I'll give you the stuff here. Take that. No! Ah!
Yeah. Wait.
Oh. That's a lie.
Oh, you're dead.
You will just know
I mean,
Step on it.
it's
Bro,
there.
if he ran
Hey,
into
see, so you're good at blowing things up. Why do you shut up for the change?
Can I take this?
Bunksy.
That's my core.
Fucking pinata.
I'd love for the spider to just charge on.
Wait, what happens if I hit the landmine with my thing?
I think you try it.
What do you mean?
Nah,
Try
let's
it.
check.
We're almost there.
What's
Oh shit! Shit!
Yes.
We said
Yeah,
someone's
it's
gonna die.
joined like in front of where I am.
Okay, so jump down into
Buzzer
the two.
beater, last
Yeah.
second of the game.
Yes, right, okay. Now you go jump here. What the fuck? Who's it tagging?
It's the people across us.
Oh, fire exit. Yo.
Oh. Yo, who's this? Miss, follow me. Never mind, don't follow me.
What are you? Oh my, I think it's stepping.
Yeah, that's the turret. Where's the turret?
Jesus Christ.
What? Oh.
Nice.
You fucking pedo. You thought I was smart, huh? Yeah.
Sean behind you. Sean behind you.
What do we do? What do we do?
Yo.
Everywhere I'm there, camera.
Sean, drop that.
Sean, drop it quickly.
Sean, drop it quick.
Wait a second.
Yeah.
Come to my here.
Oh.
How do I get back?
Oh fuck.
Hey yo, chill, bro.
No, I haven't got that far yet.
When you install it, you have to run it, by the way, that's it. What the f?
I'm going.
It's that one, by the way, if I had to guess. That one's the real one. If I had to guess, that one's the real one. Like, actually, I'm trying to help you. They don't usually spawn close. See, I was right. I was right. I told him.
I told you to go to the left one. I said it was the left one. Oh my god.
They do not know, they do not know, they do not know.
Dead. Thanks. What is Sean
No.
doing?
You cunt.
Lead it to the landmine.
What do we do?
Landmine it. What the fuck? It doesn't blow it up. That's
What is
bullshit.
what? Okay. Can you tell?
Oh, I see the bracket. Andy, run, run, run.
Oh, he's cash.
Hey yo, what the fuck? I'm not black!
Oh, hello. Whoa!
There's a...
I got lost. What happened?
What's happened? Oh.
Oh no, she was.
That's where I was.
Oh, okay, there's a child. Okay, well, if you're gonna kill me, just do it.
There's a child.
There's a child.
Oh, bro, the fucking breathing
Oh,
is a
fuck!